Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about Upwork tutorial for beginners. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Upwork is a fantastic platform to showcase your skills and find freelance opportunities. So just a quick overview, this is an online freelancing platform that connects clients with freelancers from around the world. Businesses and individuals post job opportunities, and freelancers with relevant skills can apply for those jobs. Upwork covers various fields like writing, design, programming, marketing, and more. It is an international platform that offers countless of opportunities. Beginners always choose Upwork due to its user-friendly interface, providing an easy way to set up profiles and showcase skills. The platform offers diverse freelance opportunities across various fields, allowing beginners to explore different projects and find those that match their skills. It also provides a secure payment system, ensuring freelancers receive their compensation reliably. Additionally, Upwork lets freelancers build their reputations through client reviews, boosting credibility. The flexibility to work remotely and set one's own hours is particularly appealing to beginners seeking a better work life balance. Overall, Upwork addresses common challenges like building a reputation and securing payment, making it a preferred choice for beginners entering the freelancing world. So, to start up, let's sign up in Upwork. So you'll just need to head to Upwork's website, then click on sign up and click onto freelancing looking for work. So you'll just need to click on to apply as a freelancer. Then you'll be redirected. You'll see a page where you can continue with Apple or Google, or you can add in your name, last name, your email, your password, and where you come from. So you could just click onto the drop down menu. Then you'll be able to see the different country that they offer. So click one. So you could just tick all to the boxes as well onto the bottom to make sure that you have read the terms and agreements from Upwork. Then click on to create my account. So if you have an account already, just click on to log in. And once you're already onto the dashboard, you'll just need to click on to profile. So regarding this step, you'll just need to complete your profile by providing the details about your skills, experiences, and portfolio, highlighting your strengths and showcasing your work samples. So since you're just a beginner, you can create examples to demonstrate your skills effectively. So the first thing that we'll do is to click onto this button in here so that we could update your profile photo. So this step is important because a nice profile picture creates a favorable first impression, establishes trust and credibility, humanizes your online presence, aids in memorability, signals professionalism, contributes to personal branding, and enhances your overall profile's completeness. Clients are more likely to hire someone that they can see and connect with, and a well chosen profile picture can convey all these aspects effectively. And the next thing that you could do is to edit your job title appropriately because it precisely reflects your skills, experience, and service offered, helping attract relevant projects from clients. A clear and well edited title can improve your discoverability in freelance marketplaces like Upwork, enabling potential clients to find you quickly and understand your expertise, leading to more inquiries and job opportunities. Now let's head to overview. So, an overview in a freelancing platform like Upwork is a concise yet comprehensive descriptions of your skills, experiences, and services offered. So, this is a crucial section as it provides potential clients with an insight into what you can deliver. So, a well written overview not only showcases your expertise but also helps clients understand how you can meet their specific needs, and it's an opportunity to highlight your strengths and unique selling points, setting the stage for a positive impression and ultimately leading to more project invitations and collaborations. So right after all of those steps, you'll just need to complete building your profile. So you could just provide your professional title, work experiences, education, the language spoken. You can list your skills up to 15, highlighting your expertise in relevant tools, write a compelling overview to introduce yourself and your skills, and remember, a well-crafted overview can make a great first impression. So take time to build your project. You can also enhance your profile by adding portfolio projects, since they showcase your previous works and skills to potential clients. You can upload images, videos, or links to your work. Remember, a strong portfolio increases your chances of getting hired. Now let's head back to find work. So let's talk about connects and applying to jobs. To apply for jobs on Upwork, you'll use connects. These are like tokens you spend to submit proposals. So you'll receive a set number of connects each month, and you can also buy more if needed. So you'll need to search for job that matches your skills and interests, read client reviews and job descriptions carefully before applying. So for this video, let's try to search for video editing job. And as you can see, there are a lot of video editing jobs that are available on Upwork. So for you to be able to choose the best one, you can use a feature on Upwork. So this is called filters. Onto the left corner of the screen. Filters on freelancing platforms like Upworks are invaluable tools that allow you to fine-tune your job searches according to various criteria such as project type, budget, duration, and client preferences. So by utilizing these filters, you can quickly narrow down relevant listings and focus on opportunities that best aligns with your skills and preferences. This streamlining process saves time and effort, enabling you to efficiently pinpoint and apply to the most suitable projects. In a competitive freelancing environment, filters help you stand out by directing your attention to the right clients and projects while maximizing your chances of securing meaningful and compatible work engagements. Now let's try to click onto this job in here so that we could apply. When applying for jobs on platforms like Upwork, it is essential to be strategic and selective. Carefully review the job postings and only apply to those that align with your skills and expertise. Tailor your proposals to each project, emphasizing your strengths and how you can meet the client's need. So keep your proposals concise, highlighting relevant work samples and demonstrating your understanding of the project's requirements. It's also important to showcase your professionalism and communicate why you'd be the best fit for the role job. So you can see the details of the job in here and onto the bottom part as well. You can write in your cover letter. So once you're done with all of those informations that you've input, finally proofread your applications and ensure that they are free of errors before submitting. This approach will lead to higher quality applications and improve your chance of landing the jobs you apply for. So on this part, you can add in the attachments or any samples that you can provide that is relevant to the job that you're applying for. And right up next, we have here the boost your proposal. So this is actually just an optional feature, but this one actually helps since if you will bid and you'll be on the first place, your proposal would be onto the top of your client's list. So by clicking learn more, you'll learn more information regarding this feature that they offer. Now, as you can see in here, 25 connects is the highest or the first place. So we'll need to set a bid that is higher than 25 connects so that we would be able to outbid that 25 bids. So we'll try to put in 30, then let's click onto bid. And then right after, since you're already onto the top of the list, then we're gonna send this for 30 connects. And right after that, you've just applied for that job. So the next thing that you'll do is to keep track onto all of your submitted proposals in the My Proposal sections. Here you can see the status of each proposals, whether they're active or pending. So just be patient and stay positive as you wait for clients' responses. And congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to kickstart your freelance journey on Upwork. Remember, success may not come overnight, but with dedication, a polished profile, and strategic proposals, you'll increase your chances of landing great freelance opportunities. Thank you very much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. And until then, best of luck onto your freelancing journey.